The key to a comprehensive collaborative response in schools is understanding that layers of teams need to be established in order to best support each and every learner, as well as the staff working diligently for their success. In order to coordinate and optimize support beyond the classroom, the school support team is critical. However, how that team is organized matters. Join us for the online workshop, Ensuring Effective Response Beyond the Classroom, 5 Considerations for Effective School Support Team Meetings, part of our Supporting Collaborative Response series. In this workshop, I will reveal 5 considerations for every school trying to take their school support teams to the next level. I'll also be sharing numerous resources, templates, and samples to help transform the supports put in place beyond the classroom. Access this on-demand workshop and you'll have the ability to view and replay all or any portion of the workshop when it best fits your time. Register today to learn more about this critical collaborative structure integral within a school's collaborative response.